morning, guys. So I was just drinking my protein shake before I go to the gym. I have a bottle of water here, and I'm just about to head out. It is 7 o'clock, and look at the weather on on a summer morning here. It is just the end of June now. Look at that. This weather alone is actually keeping me inside, and I feel like I might just work out inside. I'm not about to go out there. I don't know. Maybe I should just walk out inside, JJ. So I have decided to go. I am running a little bit late because of my indecision, but I know going is going to help me a lot. I haven't been to the gym since Friday, since Thursday. I don't really do weekend gym because I have the kids in the house 24/7, so I can't do that. Like my husband goes to the gym. Like right now, we do I do morning gym, and my husband does the evening just because we need someone to obviously stay with the kid, which has been working fine for us. But weekends I just don't get as motivated because I really want to have a lie-in. And I know one thing about going to the gym for me is that it motivates me to kind of just do things. If I was at home when I'm watching videos, I would probably most likely not do the full routine just because I'm just like, here, look, I'm not motivated, you know what I mean? So I'm going, come rain, come shine, I'm going. So yeah, let's go. So I'm not the only person that didn't want to come to the gym this morning. Like literally nobody's here. Nobody is actually here. So it's good though. I mean, more time on machines, but yeah, the weather is really, really bad outside. I guess that's enough reason. That was hard, but I'm very happy I did it. Whew. I'm gonna have to call my husband because if he's probably not awake and he needs to be up before 8 o'clock. I think he's starting at 8:30. Let me just call him quick. It's like those boys are still sleeping, so I need to actually hurry up and wake them up basically. Hamza is fine because it doesn't necessarily start till I'm not dropping him. Basically, I'm not dropping him till after I'm ready. Well, my husband, on the other hand, who needs to be up at least 8 o'clock so he can get ready, he's still sleeping. I just called his phone and it's going on do not disturb. People that put their phone on don't have problem in this life. It's every single night he puts the phone on do not disturb. So I just tried calling it and it's not going through. So I need to actually go wake him up. I don't know any other way to do that. Yesterday I literally woke up, had a shower, and then I'm like, dude, are you not working this morning? It's like, oh my god, I didn't realize the time. I guess he was so used to the kids waking us up. Like Salma at the moment is not at home. She's at her grandma's house, so she would have probably woken everybody up at like 7 o'clock. So I'm sure he's used to that. And Hamza seems to be sleeping very well this lately. Maybe because Salma is not around. I don't even know. And then he's also going to bed late as well, actually. He's the only one refusing to go to bed at 7 a.m. So eventually he'll probably go to bed at like, last night he went to bed at like 10. Yeah, he refused to sleep, that boy. So he's just sleeping, he's just staying up. And of course waking him up in the morning hasn't been the easiest because he doesn't want to wake up. Anyway, the moral of my story is the boys are still sleeping and I need to go wake them up ASAP because it's 8:15 already. See you guys. Babe, look at the time. Why are you still sleeping? Huh? Are you not working? You quit? Guy, wake up, fam. Huh? Why? Are you serious? Baba? 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 Chicka Assalamu alaikum. Oh, Hamza Baba, wake up. Yeah. Hamza. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, Pippi. You tired? This is what happens when you don't go to bed early. Are you tired? Are you tired? Baba. Mwah. 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 Okay, let's go have a shower, okay? Okay? He's not ready to wake up. Yeah, he's smiling. There's a big, huge smile on his face. Baba. Hi. I was gonna say good morning. Good morning. NIG today. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get ready for school. Do you want to go get ready for school? You want to go get ready for school? Yeah? Yeah, let's go. Hamza. Rah. 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 Outfit check. Baby's ready. Hamza is ready. You ready? Rah. This is Zainab. I am Dynamite. Rah. Awa. Shall we? Yeah, let's get your hair ready. Rush. So I just spray some of these on there, like it's a leave-in detangler, and then this is a leave-in conditioner. Rub. I should probably use both hands so I can be done. And then I put a bit of oil on it, and there we come. Bye. Hamza says cheese. 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 This is the way we comb my hair. Comb my hair. This is the only way he allows me to comb his hair. Unless it's his daddy that's combing it. This is the way we comb my hair. Early in the... Shoe. Hamza wants to wear a shoe. This is the way we comb my hair. Hamza. Baby. Yay. Hamza. Baby. Hamza, look, it's so easy to comb. Why are you stressing me? It's so easy to comb. Okay. Hamza refuses to comb his hair. Hamza, you want to wear your shoe? Hamza got his shoe from his auntie. Do you like your shoes, Hamza? This guy is obsessed with shoes just like his daddy. You love your shoes. But I don't think this shoe is right for this weather, or guy. It's lashing outside. It is lashing outside, boy. You ready? Yeah. Hamza's ready. Let's go. Mommy's ready. Hamza's ready. Let's go. Hey. Mwah.
A few moments later.
I am actually very hungry this morning. I don't even know why. Like yesterday, I made musa and I can't believe the amount of musa I ate. And I think that's another reason why I dragged myself to the gym this morning. So, I don't know. But first, I'm going to drink my celery juice, no matter what. It's a bit cold at the moment, so I'm going to leave it to sit for a while before I drink it. Not that I've joined the 4 Eyes gang. So, I'm just going to continue working and then I will show you guys later. Okay? Good morning. Today is Tuesday. No, sorry, today is Wednesday actually. Today's Wednesday. And it's my husband's birthday. It's Jamil's birthday this morning, guys. So funny enough, I had dropped Hamlet to school already, and then I basically drove past the house because I forgot to buy his cake and his birthday card. No, I didn't even forget. It's just that I was thinking maybe it's better for him to have it in the evening where we're all, done from work and then we'll cut it and everything. But then if I buy it now, it doesn't make a difference. I don't even have a card for him. So I just thought, let me just go and buy it now. At least you'll have the card sitting down in the sitting room, It'll feel like it's a birthday going on somehow, rather than having it in the evening when the birthday is almost over. So I'm just going to get it. Tesco is dangerous. Who pressed it to come up? Tesco is dangerous. Look at how I came here to buy cake, and look what I have in my hand. Hi guys, so we are making the birthday boy's favorite dish. This is just me putting my chicken into the air fryer, seasoned it a while ago, and that's gonna just do its own thing. I have corn also that I've also seasoned with a couple of spices, and then I have spaghetti that I'm just cooking briefly, and then I'll add into cold water and let it sit down so that it will cook properly in the sauce. So here's my sauce there. I blended scotch bonnet, big bell pepper, and onion, and that's just letting it cook. And of course I'm putting this into the oven. So my bell pepper, just to let you know, I roasted this before I blended it. It just gives it this really nice smoky taste. And so I roasted it for like 20 minutes in the air fryer, so it also hastened the cooking process as well. So yeah, as you know, you just put your onion in the oil and then you add your pepper mix, and I let this cook for a few minutes before I add my spaghetti. So I only season it with salt, Maggi, what's it called, all-purpose seasoning, and then I also added ginger paste. So it's ginger and garlic in that actually, so it's ginger and garlic paste, and then I let it just cook, do its thing for a few minutes. Once it's almost ready, I will then add my spaghetti and then let the spaghetti cook properly in the pepper mix. And there we go, that's it. Like this, it actually tastes really, really nice. I just stumbled upon making my spaghetti like this one of those during Ramadan when I was cooking every other day, and ever since then I haven't stopped cooking it like this, and hubby really loves it, so I decided to make it for him today. And yeah. Ethic. To you, happy birthday. I know, right? I wanted Hamza to be awake, but Papa. Papa. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, make a wish.
All my dreams will just fly through the window.
Which dream? Just eat one slice of cake, you'll be okay. Happy birthday to you.
I'm going to Dubai Day.
Yay! Hater.